Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone has power and is unlocked. This avoids interruptions while changing system UI options. Next, open Settings or pull down the notification shade and tap the gear icon to jump straight into system options. Once in Settings, navigate to Notifications and Control Center on MIUI 12 and newer because that group centralizes notification bar and quick settings controls. If you're on an older MIUI, go to Notifications directly. This step funnels you to the exact panels you'll modify next. You now modify what appears in the notification bar and quick tiles. First, open status bar settings to choose which system icons display and whether notification dots show. This reduces clutter and speeds recognition. Next, tap Edit or press the pencil icon to reorder quick settings tiles. Drag tiles to place frequently used controls up top for faster access. Make sure to check app-level notification permissions so you don't silence important alerts. Once done, the shade will reflect your prioritized items immediately. You finish by testing. Send a message or app alert, then pull down the shade to confirm icons, tiles, and lock screen behavior appear as expected. If something looks wrong, use Reset Layout in Notifications and Control Center to restore defaults and repeat customization. This addresses conflicts from previous edits. If icons still do not refresh, restart the phone to force the system UI to reload. One key troubleshooting tip: check Do Not Disturb and per-app notification settings if alerts vanish unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.